Good morning and welcome to your market update for Tuesday, April 21st, 2026. The mood on Wall Street this morning is mixed. Indices are nudging higher, but the moves are tiny and conviction is low. Let's start with the big board. The S&P 500 sits at 708.80, barely budging with a gain of just 0.01%. The Nasdaq is doing slightly better at 647.80, up 16 basis points, and the Dow Jones edges up 17 basis points to 495.15. So green across the board, but just barely. Now let's check in on the Magnificent Seven. Microsoft is leading the pack today. MSFT is up 1.72%. Trading at $425.26. That is a solid move in a sleepy session. Amazon is right behind it, climbing 1.54% to 252.11. Meta is inching higher too, up about 0.33% at 672.96. On the flip side, Apple is the biggest drag this morning. AAPL is down 1.32% at 269.45. Keep an eye on that one. Tesla is also in the red, dipping 0.33% to 391.22. So a real split personality among the mega caps today. Let's swing over to commodities, where the action is actually more dramatic. Gold is pulling back sharply, down 1.49% to 435.49. Silver is getting hit even harder, falling 3.02% to 69.97. That is a notable sell-off in precious metals. Meanwhile, oil is surging in the other direction. WTI crude is up 1.84% at 123.55 a barrel. Energy bulls are showing up this morning. Over in crypto, Bitcoin is having a decent day. BTC is up 1.33%, trading at $76,004. Ethereum is also green, gaining just over 0.5% to sit at 2,310.75. Steady gains across the digital asset space. Unfortunately, we do not have Forex data available this morning. We will bring you those updates as soon as they come in. Now let's hit the headlines making waves. The Wall Street Journal is reporting that USA Rare Earth plans to acquire Serra Verde in a massive $2.8 billion deal. That is a big move in the critical minerals space and one worth watching closely. In the auto world, Mercedes has officially revealed an electric version of the C-Class. Motor One says it rides quote as smooth as an S-Class. The EV race among legacy automakers is heating up fast. And from MarketWatch, a $33 billion stock market buying spree is now winding down. That could explain the lack of momentum we are seeing in today's session. When the buying wave fades, markets tend to drift. So to wrap it all up, we have indices barely positive. Mega caps split between winners and losers. Precious metals under pressure. And oil pushing higher. It is a classic mixed morning with no clear direction. Watch for any follow-through on that rare earth acquisition. Keep an eye on whether the sell-off in gold and silver accelerates. And pay attention to volume as this buying spree reportedly fades. That could set the tone for the rest of the week. That is your morning market update. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button and we will see you right back here tomorrow.